Another selection statement that is available in C programming is switch statement. So this is a syntax for switch. Switch within the bracket, we write an expression or a condition, open the curly brace, then case constant 1, put the colon. End of this case, we write break, then case constant 2, colon, then the statement block associated with this, and the last statement will be break, case constant n, colon, statement block n, break, and the last one is default, colon, default block, and we close the curly braces. So this is a syntax for switch statement. The expression is evaluated once and compared with the values of each case label in order. So this expression available with the switch is evaluated first, and the value returned by this switch, value returned by this expression is compared with the labels. So this constant 1, constant 2 are all labels associated with this case, and the values compared with the constants labels. So the expression is evaluated once and compared with the values of each case label in order. If there is a match, the corresponding statement after that matching label are executed until break is encountered. If we do not use break, all statements after the matching label are executed. If there is no match, the default statements are executed. The default clause is optional. If no match is found and there is no default, then no action takes place and the control passes to the statements after the switch statement closing braces. Case labels must be unique. Case labels must be an integer constant or a character constant. So let us see the example. So here, first we read a number, two numbers, number 1 and number 2, and an operator. So operator is a character that we can input as any character. So if the operator is equal to plus, then result is equal to num1 plus num2, and then print the result and stop. Go to the NOR case. If the operator is minus, then result is equal to num1 and num2, and then print result and then go to stop. Go to the NOR part, operator is equal to star, then result is equal to num1, num2, num1 into num2, and print the result and go to stop. Again, go to the NOR part, operator is slash, then result is equal to num1 by num2, and print the result and go. If any other character is input, and if the no case, print it is an invalid operator. So let us code this using the switch case statement. So first, we have to read the numbers. Scanf %t, %t, ampersand num1, comma num2. Then printf, enter the operator. So scanf %c, ampersand operator. Since operator is received as a character, so you have to use %c here. So now we have read both the numbers and the operator. Now we want to check. So switch operator. So the operator is the expression. The value returned by the operator is compared with the case label. Open the curly brace. We write the first case, case plus. So here, if the operator is equal to plus, that is what it means. Case plus, then go to this S part of this one. Result is equal to num1 plus num2. So this is the only step that is associated with S part. After that, you can write break and then go to the NOR part. NOR part, it is another case, case minus. Then result is equal to num1 minus num2. So this is the S part, then break and go to the NOR part. Operator is equal to star, case star, colon, put the colon here, then go to the S part, result is equal to num1 into num2, break, case slash, go to the NOR part, it is slash, result is equal to num1 by num2, break. So now go to the NOR part. NOR part, there is no condition, so we can use the keyword default colon. Print invalid operator. So now close the switch body and write print result is equal to %t result. So here, the value received by the operator is compared with the case label. So the case labels here are plus, minus, star, and slash. So first it checks with plus. If it is a match, then the statement associated with this case will execute. And since there is a break, after executing this one, it will break out from the switch. Now, if it is not plus, it goes to the next case label. If it is minus, then result is equal to num1 minus num2 and break. So it will also break. If it is not minus, then it goes for star. If it is star, this statement will execute and break. If it is not star, then this is checked. And if it is a match, then this statement will execute and break out. If none of these cases matches, then the default statement will execute and exit from the switch. So this is how it works. So here, the expression is evaluated once and compared with the values of each case labels in order. If there is a match, the corresponding statements after the matching label are executed until a break is encountered. If you do not use the break, all the statements after the matching label are executed. If there is no match, the default statements are executed. The default clause is optional. If no match is found and if there is no default, then no action will take place and the control will process the statement after the switch statement. Case labels must be unique. Case labels must be an integer constant or a character constant. So here, as a case labels, we can use only integers and character constants. So plus it is a character constant. Since it is a character, we put it in a quote. So now let us consider this example here. For a character is read into the variable alphabet. Then switch alphabet means that alphabet will return the character that we have read. It compares with A. If it is, the case labels are A, E, I, O, U, and that is a default. So here, if it is an A, then the statement there is no statement and it will start executing the statements following that case label. So there is no statements here and it will execute print vowel and break. It will break out. So if it is not A, it goes for checking E. If it is not A, it goes for checking I. If it is a match, then after that there is no checking. It will continuously execute all the statements until a break is encountered or until the end of the switch. If it is case O, then it will start executing from here till the break statement. If it is U, then it will start executing from here and it will execute until the break is encountered. If the character read is not any of these characters, A, E, I, O, U, then it will go to the default statement. It is print constant.